I don't think the folk niggas really fuck with P and V like that no more. But some of them, I don't know what's going on. Is a folk nigga who you talk about? Y'all let me know, because y'all might know. You feel me? But, like I was saying though, somebody need to make a video with a count of how many times this nigga said like. Yeah, this shit. I ain't go for that's main part of the track. I don't like that shit, like too much likes and shit. I don't like that. But it's not really a bad song. I mean, I can't give it a high rating. I'm gonna give it in between rating. I give that shit like a 7.7 or something like that.
I tell my shooter go over there. I tell my shooter like what? Shuck shit, that's swag. Like, Lord. I got a shooter from everywhere. I got a shooter from overseas. Like, I gotta stick and move. I tell my shooter go over there. I tell my shooter to what? I gotta get low on D's. I got the city, like shooters from overseas, I get low on D's cause the city on me. Jay make an accusation about some altercation cause they snitching on me. Like, put the back, you get put on the bow, bun that. See a PNV chain, better tuck that. Like, pull up them bangers clapping, I got a name for madness. Like, niggas be lames and capping, I'm a remain a factor. Like, we switching lanes in traffic, we see a stain, we catch it. Like, that nigga chain got snatching, call it a chain reaction. Like, hop out, shoot be with me, toe in the city. Slide through, walk up, drive throughs, head tap, hope that remind you. Like, summertime I do a hit off a bite. Niggas be bluffing, was never the type. When I up, you get touched, don't get shot tryna fight. Like, I know the reason you mad, cause your bitch thinks she been though fantastic. Niggas can't rap, but they still getting views. Shout out raps and hustles, they're fantastic. Shooting like nigga, I gotta switch how I move, baby, I'm structured, come get in tune. I can't let the street shit get to me. I stay surrounded by niggas with felonies. Gotta make sure you put on for the set. Play with that bird, you turn into an enemy. You still alive cause you not a threat. I'm getting money so she getting wet. Just give me some neck, I'm too lazy for sex. I nut her mouth and you know the rest. I told her, leave. All of my dreams I'm gonna achieve. Young nigga dream to go to the league. Started trapping on the block and the peas. I started trapping on the block and the peas. Now you see me sourcing and worry about ops cause I'm getting offers. Pull up them bangers clapping, I got a name for madness. Like, niggas be lames and capping, I'm a remain a factor. Like, we switching lanes in traffic, we see a stain, we catch it. Like, that nigga chain got snatching, call it a chain reaction. Like, I got the fame from spazzing, I should get paid for rapping. Like, I got the fame from spazzing, I should get paid for rapping. Paid for what? Like, that's structure.